Hi guys, Ruby here with Red Lake, and I'm here to talk about this month's prizes for the Friday Challenge. So if you haven't heard of the Friday Challenge before, it's a weekly email quiz game where you sign up. We send you an email every Friday around 9:30 in the morning, and you're just going to answer the question, answer A, B, C, D, and whoever responds with the corresponding number we choose, kind of like a raffle, then we'll send you one of these prizes. So our first prize for this month is a little Groot. So if you like Guardians of the Galaxy, or if you're just looking for a new houseplant as we're in the stay-at-home phase, this would be a great starter kit. Real seeds in real soil, and glows in the dark. That's pretty cool. A little cutie in there, a little pot. So good for you, good for your family, something fun to do while you're at home. Our second prize for April is, so the packaging isn't totally great on this, but they're little lightsaber chopsticks. So again, very simple packaging, but should be pretty cool. I think you can make them green, red, blue. Aren't those the normal colors, I think? Anyway, chopsticks. Something fun to have at home. And our third prize for April is these little finger monster things. So you can kind of put them on your fingers, wiggle them around. Something to do during a meeting, something to do with your kids. They're the terrifying finger monsters. And our last prize for the month of April. There was a movie that was going to come out this month, but it has been moved to, I think, October or November. So you can enjoy this prize all the way up until that movie. Shaken. So the book of James Bond style inspired drinks. And it's a really pretty book. Has a bunch of different recipes. Let's see how cool that is. It's great photography. Let's find another good one. This one looks kind of good. Good photography. Then I have the full recipe there too. And it's a pretty big book, so you can surely enjoy this for months and months and months. All right, so those are our prizes for the month of April. What you're gonna do next is find that link, I think it's below, or wherever. Click on it, subscribe, and you'll receive our next weekly email this coming Friday, where you'll have the chance to win one of these great prizes. But until then, stay safe and wash your hands.